Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Please guys, watch to the very end as I unleash my creativity with this amazing woolen flower craft idea using fork and 2 colors of wool. Tie to secure the first color of wool on the fork. Wrap the wool on the fork for 13 times. Tie to secure the second color of wool on the extension of the first one. Now cut off the excess wool of the first color and continue with the second color. Attach needle at the extension of the second color of wool. Use that to sew one side of the woolen design on the fork to make visible combination. In between the first and second teeth of the fork, wrap the wool around there 6 times. Sew to secure. Make little pieces 5 and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more educative tutorials. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead at the middle to make the flower flawless. I trust you will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.